Hi guys, welcome to JTech YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the power supply of your computer or your laptop. So let's get started. At first you need to open the Google, and here you need to find the application which is HW Monitor. Okay, so this application is free to download from CPU ID. You just need to click here on the setup. Okay, so now we will move towards the application. At first you need to open this application CPU ID, and here is the display. It will show you multiple options related to the age function of your computer or your laptop. On the top it will show you the motherboard of your system here. You can see that here I can clearly see the motherboard of my system. Okay, so now here you can see the temperature, utilization, and here in this section power, here it will show the power of each section like the package, IA cores, GT and DRAM. You need to ignore all of these and you just need to check the power of your package. Currently it is showing that my system is consuming 8 point something watt. Okay, so that is the power which is getting consumed by your system. You must need to remember that it doesn't show you the power value of your power supply. That one is written on your PSU when you are purchasing that. Okay, and in the case of laptop you can usually see that on the external power supply which is with your laptop charger. Okay, so moving towards the next one, you can also check the temperature of your SSD or hard disk drive. Okay, and here in the bottom, in case of laptops, you can also check the current voltage of your battery. Okay, and here you can also check your battery capacity, which is the design capacity and full charge capacity. Okay, here I can see that my full capacity is 24050 and the charge capacity is 1590, which means that my battery is not okay. So I think this was enough for the video. So now you can easily make sure that how you can check that how much power your system is consuming, or if you need to check it during an application or when you're running anything, it would be better, because on the idle there is usually a less power consumption by your system side. So just in case, if I go to the Google and run CPU stress test online, so yes, that's the website. You can easily check any website or any program through which you can run the test. I will select the power and the threads, and now when I run the CPU stress test online, there will be a change in the power consumption. As you can see that the power consumption has been increased. So yes, this is a very handy tool and it's very appropriate for your usage, and you can move around with these settings if you want to explore more about your system and this tool. So now that's it for the today video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.